platform, this one is the best platform, and this one is the What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make these two really cool platforms. This one is a dev platform and this one is a fading platform. This is two tutorials from the DevHub, but I'm just remaking them in a video format. Right, and it's Christmas as well. Yeah, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so to start this, you're just gonna open up a normal document for Roblox Studio, and you're gonna end up with something like this. So now we can begin. Right, okay, so first of all I want to make the lava platform. So to do that, we're just going to add a part into the workspace. We're going to scale it out to this nice lava platform, just like that. And what we can do is we can just go to the toolbox and we can set up some stairs. Get these stairs, put them here. Right, just come on. Oh my gosh. Move this down. Here we go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to climb up these stairs and then we can jump into the lava. I know it's very, very dark. But yeah, so now we need to add some color to this because it's looking a bit dead. So for the stairs, I'm just going to go into the model. I'm going to highlight every stair. And I'm going to change it to this blue color. I like that blue color. And then we're going to change it to wood planks. And then for the lava, we're going to make it orange. And then you're going to change the material to neon. So you end up with something like that. And if you want to change the bloom, then that is quite easy. You just go to lighting, bloom. You get the point. Anyway, so now we can start programming the actual def when you touch the lava platform. So go to the part, the lava platform. Just name that lava platform, right? Okay, now we're going to insert a script into it and get rid of this world. Okay, so now we're in our script, we can now start writing what we need to write. So now we need to get our script familiar with the parts that we're going to be using. So let's make a variable for local lava platform, just like that, lava plat, and then we're going to make it to script.parent because the parent of this script is a lava platform. That's exactly what we want. And next we're going to make a local function. We're going to call it kill player. Yeah. After that, we're going to go down after the end. Okay, this is after the end. We're going to write lava plat dot touched connect to kill player, just like that. All right. Okay, next what we need to do is we need to add a parameter. For the parameter, we're going to put other part. Pretty much this is the other part that touches the lava. So left leg, right arm, etc. So we're going to do local part parent is equal to other part dot parent. We're going to go down. We're going to do local humanoid is equal to part parent find first child, and then we're going to do in parentheses humanoid, just like that. Yeah. Next, this is literally so easy. This is incredibly easy. We're just going to do if humanoid, so an if statement saying if it's a humanoid, then, and then we're going to set, if it is a humanoid, then we're going to set the humanoid health to 0. So let me go through what's happening here. We have referenced the lava platform. We made a function for the kill player, local part parent. So we've made a variable here. I'm going to say this is equal to the other part. So the body part dot parent. So in this case, it would be the humanoid, the character, and then the local humanoid is equal to part parent find first child humanoid, and then if humanoid. So if it is humanoid that touches this part, then set their health to 0. And then down here we've got lava plat dot touch connect. Yeah, you get the point. Right. So now we can go ahead and test this, and this should work. Okay, so we're going to climb up the stairs here, and now we're going to jump down and see what happens. And as you can see, it dies upon impact. Amazing. Okay, so that's the first thing done now. And now we can move on to the second thing, which is going to be the fading platform. So just like, again, we're going to scale out our part, just like this. I'm going to change the color to blue, a nice blue like that. Actually, I don't like that. We're going to make it a bit darker. That's nice. And then we're going to change the material to pebble. Or actually, let's just set it to smooth plastic. Amazing. Okay, so just click on this and add a script inside it. Once again, get rid of that world. We don't want that. Right, so now we need to do some more referencing. So we're going to get the local part. We're going to call it local fade part. I'm going to make it equal to script.parent. Pretty much saying that the fade part is pretty much this. Fading part. There we go. Next, we need to add the local function. So add a function. So just do local function fade. Local function fade. Click enter, and then end should be generated. Now we need to do a for loop. So this for loop is going to be this is going to be controlling the transparency. So we're going to do for C. They put actually for count in the actual thing, but I'm just going to do for. Actually, to make it clear, I'm just going to put for count, and then we're going to do 1, 10, do. And you're probably wondering, why are we not putting another 1? Well, actually, did you know if you leave it just like that, it's going to automatically assume that you don't need that, and pretty much if you just put that, then the increment is going to be 1 automatically. So that was horribly explained, but whatever. We're gonna say do, and then we're gonna. Okay, so just type do on the keyboard and press enter. Right. So now we need to see what is this count. This is just a for loop, a random for loop, right? We don't know what it's equal to and what it does. We know what it does, but we actually don't know what it's equal to. So we need to make this equal to the actual fade part transparency. So we're gonna say fade part dot transparency. I'm going to make it equal to this count for loop divided by 10. So instead of it being like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we're dividing by 10, it's going to be 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Sorry, I'm very slow at this. 0.4, etc. Yeah, you get the point. Okay. Yeah, because we're divided by 10, it's going to be, yeah, got it. Okay, so next we're going to say weight 0.1. So what is happening here, it's going to increase by 0, the transparency is going to increase by 0.1 every 0.1 seconds. Therefore, in 1 second, it's going to get to 0.10, technically. And that's pretty much 1. So it's going to go. Okay, so in 0.1 seconds, it's going to go, the transparency is going to go to 0.1. And in 0.2 seconds, it's going to go to 0.2 transparency until it gets to 1 second. And that's going to be equal to 1 transparency, which is pretty much invisible. Okay, anyway, let's carry on now. We're going to go underneath this end. I'm going to indent. I'm going to do fade part dot can collide is equal to false. Weight 3, and then we're going to do fade part dot can collide is equal to true, and then fade part dot transparency is equal to 0. And yeah, that's it. Now what we need to do is we need to add the actual thing when it's touched. So fade part touched connect to fade. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is actually we need to add the what's it called, debouncing. So we're just gonna do up here. This is gonna be above and between. So there's going to be between the function and the referencing. We're going to put local is touched is equal to false, just like that. I'm going to go inside the function. I'm going to write if not is touched, then. And then I'm going to go all the way down here. I'm going to add an end. So pretty much what we're doing is we're wrapping all of this inside of this. Perfect. So let me show you what this means. You're already wondering, if not is touched, then what the hell does that? What does that mean? Okay. Well, actually, this actually means it's actually quite simple if you think about it. It actually means this: if is touched, then equal to false. Then this is just a simplified version of saying this. So actually, if you imagine it in your head, then it's actually not that hard. Okay, I think we're done actually. So before we do that, I'm actually going to make some comments. So not actual comments, just comments in the thing. So I'm going to do 2 hyphens to make a comment. Referencing, I spelled that wrong. Referencing, yeah. And then we're going to do Boolean function. Oh, and I've just spotted something that's wrong. Okay, so before this end here, you just want to put is touched is equal to false. And then we're done. Perfect. Yeah. So let's go ahead and run this, and then I can explain all of that to you. Oh, I just realized I forgot to anchor it. So make sure you anchor this part, or else it'll do that. There we go, I'm dead. And now let's try out the fading part. So let's see what happens when we step on it. As you can see, it starts to fade away, and it waits 3 seconds, and it spawns back. Oh, and by the way, that little thing where it actually shimmies a bit, it's just like that in Studio. If you actually publish this game, then it will work normally. So that's just a bug inside of Studio. That's not your fault. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great Christmas. Yeah, in this video, we made 2 of these. We made a lava platform and a fading part. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. I've got the link for this in the description. It's in the DevHub. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye. See you.